Hello all, this is Suyash Goel signing in once again. So in this lecture we are going to take some exercise for the topic which we covered in the previous lecture, that is I, you, he, they, action or action plus S. Okay. So moving on with the first action, that is teach science. So now we have actually covered 3 or 4 type of sentences. So we will be actually exercising all of them. Okay, making sentences for all of them. Like I am teaching science, मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ science. I am teaching science. I have taught science. The work has just been completed. I have taught science, and I was teaching science. Okay, I was doing what? I was teaching science. That is one more sentence. Now the next is, which we just understood in the last lecture. So I teach science. That means कि मैं science पढ़ाता हूँ. I teach science. Okay. Similarly, if I am to use it for you, you are teaching science. You have taught science. You were teaching science. And the last is you teach science. तुम science पढ़ाते हो. You teach science. Moving on with the same action, teach science. He is teaching science. She has taught science. She was teaching science. He teaches science. Now here it is important to look. He teaches science. It's not teach, it's teaches. So that's what we actually learned in the last lecture, that whenever I'm using this form with he or she, then there would be action plus S or ES. Like here it's plus ES. You can see teach plus ES, that is teaches. Okay, so he teaches science. Or if I'm to use she, then the same way she teaches science. Okay, if I'm to use it for they are not teaching science, they have taught science. They were teaching science. And the last is they teach science. कैसे बोलेंगे? They teach science. Okay. Now I have one more action, that is kill mosquitoes. And I am to make negative sentences for this action. So how to do that? I do not kill mosquitoes. Now this is the negative for this type of statement. Like when we were using, I am going, and negative is I am not going. The sentence, is same. I've just added not between am and going. I am not going. But in case of, these sentences which we learned in the last lecture, what we do is, if the positive I want to speak, I would say I kill mosquitoes. I would say I and kill mosquitoes. Okay, I would have skipped this do not. But when I am to speak negative, I would say I do not. Make a point of it. I do not kill mosquitoes. कैसे बोलेंगे? I do not kill mosquitoes. Similarly, if I am to speak negative for you, like you, Rahul, do not kill mosquitoes, I would say you. Again, I would use this do not. You do not kill mosquitoes. Okay. If I'm to use it for some other person, I'm talking to you and I'm speaking the negative statement for some other person, then I would say he does not kill mosquitoes. Now you can see this is more important. We have done the positive statements, like he kills mosquitoes. That would have been the positive. He kills mosquitoes. Okay. But now when I'm saying he does not kill mosquitoes, तो हुआ क्या? You do not and he does not. So it's actually do not. He के साथ actually it is, just a minute, he के साथ actually it is do not. But what has happened is ES kill से हट के do पे आया. Okay, ES has been transferred from kill to do. So it has become he does not kill mosquitoes. These are the two wrong cases which you should just have a look on. He does not kills mosquitoes. This is wrong. You cannot say he does not kills mosquitoes, because ES is already there with does. ES is already there with does. Okay. And he do not kills mosquitoes. This is also wrong. You cannot say he do not kills mosquitoes. This is wrong. ये जो S है, this S will be transferred to do. In case of negative sentences, this S would be transferred to do and would become he does not kill mosquitoes. Okay. Similarly, she does not kill mosquitoes. I hope you are getting it what I am saying. I do not kill mosquitoes. और जब he के लिए करेंगे तो he does not, वो जो e लगता है एक्शन के साथ, वो जो s लगता है एक्शन के साथ, वो शिफ्ट होकर किस पे आएगा, do पे आएगा. तो it will become he, do की जगह does. He does not kill mosquito. Okay. And if I am to use it with they, then it's very simple. They do not kill mosquitoes. Okay. The next is browse the net. So the first would be I browse the net. If I am to use it for he, then let's first make the positive. Positive would have been he browses the net. Positive would have been he browses the net. But now I want to make negative. Then s browses, s जो s है browses का, that would be transferred to do, and the statement would become he does not browse the net. Similarly, if I am to speak the positive one for she, then I would say she browses the net. Okay. If I am to speak the positive one for they also browse the net. Now if I am to talk about some specific person whose name is Rahul, then I would say Rahul browses the net. Okay. Sia, if I am to talk about Sia and I want to speak negative, then I would say Sia does not browse the net. Because Rahul browses the net. If I am to speak negative for Rahul, it would be this s would be transferred to do of do not. So it would become Rahul does. Rahul does not browse the net. Sia does not browse the net. If I am to talk about two, it would behave like they की तरह behave करेंगे because more than one, two people. Vikram and Raj, दो हैं. Vikram and Raj do not browse the net. कैसे बोलेंगे? Vikram and Raj do not browse the net. Okay. Similarly, all of them. If I am to talk about all of them browse the net. This is a positive statement. All of them browse the net. The next action is take revenge. So I would say I am taking revenge. This is just a revision of the previous lectures. I am taking revenge. He has not taken revenge. Rishabh has not taken revenge. People take revenge. If I am to talk about people as a whole, then people are actually they. I am just symbolizing they here. They. Then they take revenge. They is people. So people take revenge. Okay. People I have just put they की जगह पे. So they take revenge. People take revenge. Okay. Group of people है. People भी. They were taking revenge. वो लोग बदला ले रहे थे. They were taking revenge. They don't take revenge. This is a negative statement. Do not को compress करके don't लिखा है मैंने. Don't. Okay. They don't take revenge. They do not take revenge. You take revenge. If I am to talk about you, I would say you take revenge. And if I am to talk about Ram, then Ram is actually he for me. I am talking to you and we are talking about Ram. So Ram is actually he for me, and I would say Ram takes, take es or take s, take plus s. Ram takes revenge. Okay. The next is respect parents. I would say I respect my parents. You don't respect your parents. He के साथ action plus s or action plus es. He respects his parents. She respects her parents. Yug is a name of a boy. Yug does not respect his parents. अब यहाँ पे does not को compress करके लिखा है doesn't. Yug doesn't respect his parents. Shruti respects her parent. They don't respect their parent. They don't respect their parents. Okay. The next is throw a party or stand a party. Throw a party, stand a party means किसी को party देना. You are just giving someone a party. So actually we don't say give a party. We say throw a party or stand a party. So I am throwing you a party. मैं आपको party दे रहा हूँ. Yogesh is throwing all a party. Yogesh सबको party दे रहा है. I throw you a party. मैं आपको party देता हूँ. I throw you a party. Okay. Vikram does not throw them any party. Vikram उनको कोई भी party नहीं देता. You don't throw me a party. You don't throw me a party. That's a negative one. You do not throw me a party. Now after that, he stands me a party. You can use stand a party or throw a party. So he stands me a party. Okay. After that, she does not stand me a party, ये negative है. She does not stand me a party. They don't stand me a party. They are now standing me a party. Sanchit and Karan are throwing us a party. He has stood me a party. Okay, they were throwing a party that day. These are all type of sentences which we have actually covered in the previous lectures, and I have just summed them up, with one action. So we'll be taking some more topics in the next lecture. That's all for this lecture. This is Suyash Goyal signing off. Thank you very much.